In this video, I will help you find the best Mpow headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Mpow M30 Truly Wireless, best for sports. When it comes to active lifestyles and sports enthusiasts, the Mpow M30 Truly Wireless headphones stand out as the optimal choice. These earbuds provide a secure fit that stays in place during workouts, ensuring you can move freely without worrying about them falling out. The sweat and water-resistant design make them perfect for intense exercise sessions or outdoor activities. With the Mpow M30, I never have to compromise on sound quality while staying active. The well-balanced sound profile keeps me motivated with crisp highs and a punchy bass that energizes my workouts. The stable Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity allows me to enjoy my music without any interruptions, whether I'm at the gym or out for a run. The ergonomic design of the Mpow M30 ensures comfort during long periods of wear, making them ideal for extended workout sessions. The touch controls make it easy to adjust volume, skip tracks, or answer calls without breaking my stride. Overall, the Mpow M30 Truly Wireless headphones are my go-to choice for staying active without sacrificing audio quality or comfort. At number 4, we have Mpow M30 Truly Wireless, best for comfort. In terms of comfort, the Mpow M30 Truly Wireless headphones excel with their ergonomic design and snug fit. The earbuds sit securely in my ears without causing any discomfort, even during extended listening sessions. The lightweight build adds to the overall comfort, making them a great choice for daily wear. The soft ear tips provide a gentle seal, enhancing the listening experience and minimizing outside noise interference. Whether I'm working out at the gym or simply relaxing at home, the Mpow M30 headphones stay in place without any need for readjustment. The comfortable fit also contributes to the sound quality, ensuring a consistent audio delivery without any distractions. Overall, the Mpow M30 Truly Wireless headphones prioritize comfort without compromising on performance, making them an excellent option for those seeking a comfortable and enjoyable listening experience. At number 3, we have Mpow M30 Truly Wireless, best for mixed usage. For those seeking versatile performance across various activities, the Mpow M30 Truly Wireless headphones stand out as the ideal choice. Whether I'm working out at the gym, taking calls on the go, or enjoying my favorite tunes during a leisurely stroll, these headphones deliver a reliable and consistent audio experience. The secure fit ensures they stay in place during my most active moments, while the well-balanced sound profile caters to both my music and call needs. The Mpow M30's battery life competes well with other models, offering enough playtime to last through my daily routine. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, I experience seamless wireless listening without any lag, providing a hassle-free experience. The absence of noise-canceling capabilities may not be missed in various everyday scenarios, making these headphones a practical choice for mixed usage. Whether I'm multitasking at work or unwinding at home, the Mpow M30 headphones consistently deliver on performance and comfort. At number 2, we have Mpow M30 Truly Wireless, best for travel. Optimizing travel experiences, Mpow M30 Truly Wireless headphones stand out as the ultimate companion for on-the-go adventures. Their compact design makes them perfect for slipping into your carry-on or pocket. The IPX8 water resistance ensures durability, ideal for any weather conditions during your travels. With a stable fit and comfortable wear, these headphones stay put whether you're rushing through airports or exploring new destinations. The well-balanced sound profile and decent bass accuracy provide an immersive listening experience, whether you're enjoying music, podcasts, or movies on the plane or train. The battery life of around 4 hours on a single charge is sufficient for most short trips, and if you opt for the Mpow M30 Plus variant with the larger charging case, you can enjoy extended playback time. At number 1, we have Mpow M30 Truly Wireless, best for commuting. Enhance your daily commute with the Mpow M30 Truly Wireless headphones, designed to elevate your audio experience on the go. These earbuds boast a well-balanced sound profile, making them ideal for enjoying music, podcasts, or calls during your commute. The Mpow M30's stable fit ensures they stay in place while you're on the move, providing comfort and convenience. With their portable charging case, the Mpow M30 headphones offer up to 4 hours of playtime on a single charge. This makes them a reliable companion for your daily travels. Additionally, the Mpow M30 Plus variant comes with a larger case for extended battery life, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the Mpow M30 headphones provide a seamless wireless experience without compromising on sound quality. Their ergonomic design and IPX8 water resistance add to their appeal, making them a top choice for commuters looking for both performance and durability. Elevate your daily commute with the Mpow M30 truly wireless headphones.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.